Hello, my name's Miss Debbie. So good to see you again. In this lesson today, we're going to be cars, trains, and aeroplanes. You're going to need a small toy car or truck for one of the exercises, so make sure you have one handy. Okay, dancers, putting that crown on our head so we stand nice and tall. And do you remember how we signal to say, let's dance? That's it, rolling our hands. And let's dance. Starting with our warm-up, do you remember your head nods? And from side to side? What about those shoulders? Can you go up and down? Did you bring your shaky hands? Shake. And those elbow circles. Round, round. That's it, everybody. What about those wiggly bottoms? Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And those circles round. And the other way. And those arm swings. Swing, swing. Great. We're ready to start. So feet together, everybody. Standing up nice and tall. Crowns on. And hands on hips. Let's get ready for the warm-up. Ready? Here we go. Bend, 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 looking up, down, to the side, 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 side. Bend, 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 bend. Shoulders go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and reach the sky and tickle those toes. Reach the sky and tickle those toes. Bend, 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 bend. Did you bring those shaky hands? Shake, shake, shake. Bend, 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 bend. Hands on our shoulders and we'll circle them around. Circles of those elbows. And reach the sky and tickle those toes. Reach the sky and tickle those toes. Bend, 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 bend. Jump out. Wiggle, wiggle those bottoms. Circle the bottom all the way around. Big circles. Circle it all the way around the other way. And reach the sky and touch the floor this time. Reach the sky and touch the floor. Bend, 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 bend. Arm swing, swing, swing. Round they go, big circles. That's it, well done. And reach the sky and touch the floor. Reach the sky and touch the floor. Hold it there, dancers. Rolling up and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Well done. We're going to warm up our toes now. So everybody's sitting on the floor. Before the music starts, can you show me those super sharp toes that you have? Point them really hard. That's it. Super strong. And can you flex your feet? Can you push them right back? That's it. Great. All right, let's do it to the music. Grow, 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 grow. Hello, toes. Bye-bye, toes. Hello, toes. Bye-bye, toes. Did you bring your sad toes? And your happy toes. Sad toes. Happy toes. Uh-oh. Naughty toes. Good toes. Naughty toes. Good toes. Naughty toes. Good toes. Naughty toes. Good toes. Everybody tight ball. And shoot. Tight ball. And shoot. Let's creep down and tickle those toes. Tickle, 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 tickle. Creep, 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 creep. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, here's the crocodiles. Open up and snap. Open up and snap. Open up and snap those legs back together. Open out and snap. Froggies now. Froggy legs. And shoot. Strong legs. Froggies. And shoot. Great. Froggy legs. And shoot. One more. Froggies. And shoot. Let's have a stretch. Nice straight leg. And point those toes. And down. Other leg up. Strong legs. And down. Shake, 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 shake. Well done, everybody. Okay, stay sitting on the floor now. We're going to use our small toy car or truck. Can you widen your legs really wide like this? This is our second split position. And we're going to roll the car out and back in. And then we're going to roll the car all the way down to our toe and up. We're going to try to keep our knees on the floor and our toes pointed. Rolling it down to the other toe and up. All right, sitting nice and tall, little dancers. Car's ready. Let's wait for the music. Ready for a drive the car out and driving it back. Let's drive it out again. Drive and driving it back. Time to drive down one of our legs. Drive it all the way to your toes. Over to the other side. Driving it all the way down to your toes. Drive. Let's drive it out in front again. Drive. Let's go for a drive right here. Drive it around. Drive. And drive. Bring it in, drive. Where's it going? All the way up. Over your nose, up to your and down. Cross your tummies. And out it goes again. Drive. And shake those legs, everyone. Great job. Can you guess what I am? That's it, an aeroplane. We're going to be aeroplanes now. So standing up, feet together, and our arms or wings out to the side. Pointing our foot to the back. We're going to balance there. Balance and close. We're going to point the other foot to the back. Balancing, nice and strong. And close. This time we're going to lift our foot up onto demi-point. And we're going to tip the aeroplane through the sky. And the other foot, tip, up on demi-point, leaning, soaring through the sky. And down. Shake those wings. All right, aeroplanes, feet together, tummies tucked in, wings by your side. Let's ready to be aeroplanes. Wings out, pointing that foot to the back, and balance. Nice and strong, try not to wobble. And close it back. Pointing the other foot to the back. Balance. Great job, everybody. And bring it back. This time we're going to lift it up to demi-point and soar through the sky. Tip, tip. Other foot now. And tip, tip, tip. Great flying, everybody. And shake those wings. Shake, shake, shake. That sounds like the ballet train. William, would you like to join me on the ballet train? On the ballet train, we're going to visit different stations, and they're going to be ballet stations. Okay, everyone, all aboard the ballet train. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Where's the train going to stop, I wonder? Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Toot! First station is plie station. Everybody off. Hands on our hips. We're going to do our plies. First, we're going to open the feet out and bend up, bend up, bend up. Great plies, everyone. Nice tall backs. And our knees go over our toes, making a big diamond. Let's get back on the ballet train. Toot. The next station is port-a-bras station. Everybody off. Feet together. And open them to our ballet position. Bringing your arms up to your belly and opening them out. And down. That's it, making sure your thumbs are hidden away. Lifting them up, all the way up above your head. And open them out to your second position. And down. Let's open them up to our belly again. That's it. And open. And down. Great job, everybody. Let's get back on the ballet train. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Which station's next? Toot! The last station is saute station. Everyone off. Feet staying together this time. Hands on hips. Let's jump. 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 Can you jump to the side? Jump. And other side. Jump. 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 Well done, everyone. Let's get back on that ballet train. And jump, 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 jump. We're back in the railway yard. Well done, everybody. Thank you for joining me, William. Bye-bye now. I found a special hat that's given me an idea. I'm going to be a police lady and control some traffic. And you're going to be the traffic. Let's get into your cars, rising up and holding onto the steering wheel. You're going to drive around, up on tippy toes, drive, drive, drive. But watch out for when I put my hand up and go stop. You need to stop at the traffic lights, nice and still. All right, hands on your steering wheel, engines running. Let's get ready for the music. Cars. Drive around, drive, drive. Up on your tippy toes and stop. Oh, good freezing. And go. And stop. Go. And stop. Go. Stop. 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 Oh, very good. Well done, little cars. That's the cool dance song. Sitting on the floor, everybody. Legs out in front. And make sure you're sitting up really tall. And point those toes. Here we go, we're going to stretch. Over we go, stretch. And up, reach. That's it, let's do that again. Over. And reach. Wonderful. Our nose to our knee. Can you keep it all the way there? And then reach out. Let's try that again. Put your nose to your knee. Slide all the way down. Reach. Very good. Time to stand up, everybody. Boys, let's bow. Step to the side. And thank you. Girls, let's curtsy. Step, put your foot to the back and thank you. Thank you so much for joining me in today's lesson about cars, trains and aeroplanes. Now crowns on, nice and tall, and see you next time.